Hi, welcome to ESOL Grammar Resources. I'm Chris. Remember to press pause when you need to, and if I'm talking too quickly, you can slow the video down in settings. Let's get started. Today, we'll be talking about ordinal numbers. When we use numbers in order, they are called ordinal numbers. We use ordinal numbers for dates and to put things or people in sequential order. Numbers 1, 2 and 3 have different words. 1, as an ordinal number, is first. 2, when used as an ordinal number, is second. 3, when used as an ordinal number, is third. After these three numbers, the ordinal number is usually the regular number plus the letters T and H. 4 becomes fourth. 5 becomes fifth. 6 becomes sixth. 7 becomes seventh. 8 becomes eighth. 9 becomes ninth. 10 becomes 10th. Note that the E is removed from 5 and 9 to create the ordinal number. Adding TH continues with further numbers. 11 becomes 11th, 12 becomes 12th, 13 becomes 13th, and continues on to 20th and beyond. We use ordinal numbers to show order. Here's an example. He came first in the race. He is first, and there are others after him, but no one before him. We also use ordinal numbers for dates. Here's an example. My birthday is on the 23rd of May. Okay, let's recap. Today we learnt about ordinal numbers and how they're used. Okay, that's it for today. Well done everyone. See you next time.